Hey, you might be that person who has a foreclosure on their credit report, a bankruptcy, collections, and so forth, and you're curious to know, can you still qualify for business credit? If so, you found the right video. So this is what we're going to do. Cue in that intro, please. Hey, how's it going, friend? Juan, Pablo here. Now on this channel, we'd like to discuss the 3 pillars to financial freedom, which are personal finance, funding, and real estate investing with an emphasis on multi-unit investing and multifamily, baby. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this content. So that way the algorithm can do its thing and provide you with additional videos to help you along your journey towards financial freedom. So without further ado, let's dive into the topic. So the reason why I came up with this topic is because I was speaking with a student of ours, and she had a foreclosure on her credit report. Foreclosure. She was thinking, now with this foreclosure, this will hinder me from, let's say, getting qualified for a mortgage as well as qualify for business credit. So being that she had those reservations, I just recommended her or advised her, hey, apply so that way we can take a look at your credit report, take a look at your business goals and needs and where you're currently at, to see if there's a way you can actually get access to business credit. So if you're interested to learn more about business credit, just check the link below in the description. Make sure you apply. We'll give you a free consultation. And I have another bonus video about business credit for you to check. Just check the link below in the description to learn more. So she took heed to those instructions, and lo and behold, when she applied, even with those foreclosures on her credit report, she got pre-approved for funding up to $20,000. Now, with $20,000, you can do a little damage with that, all right, in the real estate world. You can use that to acquire a property. But we gave her this piece of advice. We said, hey, based upon how you stand today, let's say you don't lift a finger in regards to your credit, you can get $20,000. However, if you're able to get those foreclosures removed from all 3 credit bureaus, then that will increase your chances of getting access to $50,000 in business credit. Okay, so that's one of the things we want to share with you, right? For one, just because you have some blemishes in your credit report does not mean you're automatically disqualified for business credit or mortgages. Okay, it does not mean that. Because in her case, the age of those foreclosures were pretty old. She incurred these foreclosures, if I can recall, in 2016 or 2017. So it was well over 5 years old. And so it didn't hold as much weight as it did when it initially got on her credit report, okay? So being that it didn't hold much weight, we were able, or a lot of business credit companies were able to overlook that. And then based upon her credit worthiness since that foreclosure, she's maintained stellar credit. She never missed a payment. She never had any negative item. So she pretty much, after this foreclosure, was on the right path. And the reason why she had a foreclosure is she bought a property with improper property management. It's just something that happens, right? And that's why it's important to make sure you have the right property management team in place. And we have a free resource for you about property management. Just check the link below in the description to learn more. So outside of just sharing that, okay, you have a negative item on your credit report, the next thing we share with her is the second point I want to make, is make sure you have a qualified professional advise you. Because in her head, she's thinking, well, I'm not going to qualify based upon this foreclosure, but she's not a business credit card coach. She's not a mortgage lender, right? So she doesn't know any tips or tricks that she can do to help improve it. So I highly recommend you to get this sound advice from a qualified professional. So once we got that out the way, then she had the option of either A, move forward with the $20,000, or B, get the foreclosures removed through credit repair. And we have a video on credit repair. Just check the link below to learn more. You know, get rid of the foreclosure through credit repair, or get access to the $20,000 funding. So she decided to take the second option. She said, okay, well, $20,000 is nice, but I already have my own investment capital. However, I'm more so interested in getting $50,000 or more. So what I'll do in your program, Juan, I'll focus on getting my credit looking pretty, sweet, clean, pretty as Holly Berry, you know. She said, you know what, Juan? You know, I do appreciate perhaps getting access to $20,000, but I'm gonna go for the gusto. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna focus on getting my credit pretty as Holly Berry through your program, Juan Pablo, so that way I can shortly receive $50,000, and I'd rather use that towards my next investment property. All right, so I just want to share with you that information, because you might have some blemishes in your credit report. You might not have a foreclosure, you might have a bankruptcy, you might have some tax liens, you might have some collections, charge-off, medical bills, late pays, student loans, and so forth. It's okay. But what you need to do is you need to speak to qualified professionals, so that way we can share with you either A, you are qualified, if you know, or B, you can get qualified for even more if you take these steps, or C, you don't qualify, unfortunately. However, if you take these steps, you will qualify in the near future. So it doesn't hurt to receive free consultation from a qualified advisor. All right, we have a free training for you, by the way. So if you're interested to know more about how you can get access to investment properties out of state, using OPM, other people's money, then check the link below to learn more. As always, guys, this is to your success. Continue to earn passively, live passionately. Peace.